Okay, y'all, showed you this pair of earrings here. I just got done cleaning them with Colgate, and this pair of earrings here, which I'm fixing to clean with Colgate, and I'm using this toothbrush here with a spinny head, and this is the Max Fresh Colgate, which I usually just use the regular Colgate, but all I'm doing is taking some Colgate, putting some in my hand, my fingers, that, spreading it out on my earrings, getting it just a little bit wet. And then I'm going to take my toothbrush here, spin it, and look, I don't know if you can tell, they're already kind of clean. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. And I'm not pushing down very hard at all. I'm just letting the spinner do the job. And it will take, you know, just a few minutes to work at it. And that is another great job for Colgate. And no, I am not being represented or paid or advertising or anything else for Colgate. I'm just showing you how to clean a pair of earrings if you don't have no silver cleaner. I'm sure silver cleaner would probably do a much better job, but in a pinch, this will do. There you go. They're not completely clean yet, but you can tell they're getting there. On the first earring that I did try the crest, and I'm here to tell you that Colgate does work much better for me. I know a lot of people swear by crest, but for what I'm doing, the Colgate did work better. I'm just cleaning my brush out a little bit because it was filthy, and I'm putting some more Colgate on there, just smothering it in Colgate, and I've almost got these ones cleaned. And yeah, these earrings, I've had them for years, and over the years they've just gotten filthy, and I haven't worn them in a really, really long time, partly because they have been so dirty. But yeah, and I got a couple of rings in there I need to clean too. I may wait and just pick up some silver cleaner, or I may just use the crest, who knows, I mean the Colgate, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is a good way to clean your earrings, or rings, or whatever you have. And just about done with it. And yes, this is my cleaning toothbrush. No, I don't plan on brushing my teeth after I'm done cleaning my jewelry. I mean, I guess I could if I cleaned it in alcohol or something afterwards, but no, that's okay. I've got other toothbrushes. I don't have to use this one. But your toothbrush does get pretty nasty. It was dirtier than that a few minutes ago before I cleaned it. But see how much prettier? Isn't that much prettier? Look at that. So much prettier. I might even wear those now. Get it just a little bit more up above where the hearts are, and down on the bottom of the heart. I'm just going to hold it up like that, and hit the bottom of it really lightly. Try to get the rest of that black off of there. Tarnish. The one thing about silver, it does tarnish, but that's how you know it's real silver. Dead giveaway that it's just real silver. You want to know if it's silver or not? Yeah, just wait, it'll tarnish. But anyway, just want to make a quick video of how to clean your silver earrings. So, yeah.
Thanks for watching. Have a great one. God bless you. Bye.